In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Countif formulas. By the end, you'll know how to count items that meet a specific condition, like the number of tasks marked not started, using a clear, reusable setup. Start by opening Smartsheet and loading the sheet you want to work in. Make sure you're in grid view so you can see your columns and rows clearly. We'll create a simple results column where the Countif formula will live, keeping your data tidy and your logic easy to find later. Click the plus icon to add a new column. When Smartsheet asks for a column type, choose text/number. This is perfect for storing formula results. Give the column a clear name, such as status count or not started count, so anyone reviewing the sheet understands its purpose at a glance. If you want extra clarity, add a brief description that explains what the formula counts. Then click Apply to create the column. Next, double-click into the first cell of this new column to start your formula. Type Countif to begin. Countif is designed to look at a range and count how many cells match a condition. It follows a simple pattern: Countif, range, criterion. After typing the opening parenthesis, we'll add those two pieces. Click to select the column you want to count, such as your status column. Selecting the column header tells Smartsheet to use the entire column as the range, so your count stays current as new rows are added. After the range, type a comma, then enter your criterion. For this example, we'll count items marked not started, so type not started in quotes. Your formula will look like Countif range not started. Close the parenthesis to finish. Click Apply to confirm. You should now see a number showing how many rows meet that condition. If the result isn't what you expect, double check that the text matches exactly, including capitalization and spaces. If your status column uses a drop-down list, use the exact wording from that list. A few quick tips to make this more flexible. You can change the text in quotes to count other statuses like in progress or complete. For numbers, you can use operators like 5 or Q10 in quotes. If you need partial text matches, use the asterisk as a wildcard, for example, not, to match phrases that start with not. Keeping the results in a dedicated text number column ensures your sheet stays organized and easy to maintain. That's it. Your Smartsheet Countif is set up and ready to help you track progress with clarity.